Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn something from C. Can you spell it with me? C, C, C. We are going to draw a cap from C. So take your pencil and colors. The very first thing we will do is we will draw a half circle. You can use anything round like a bowl, a small plate, or even a lid of something to help you. This will be the top part of our cap. Now the second step is we will connect the two ends of the half circle with a curve very nicely and smoothly. This makes the cap look round. Now the third step is we will add a design on the cap. So from the top middle point of the half circle, draw 3 curved lines going down. This will give our cap some shape and design. Easy! It is already looking like a cap. Now the fourth step is we will draw a cap brim. Yes, make a wide U-shaped curve in the front just like a big smile. This is the part of the cap that protects our eyes from the sun. With the help of the marker, we will first draw the outline of the cap and then we will start coloring it. Now the last step is coloring time. So you can choose your favorite color. Here I am going to use dark blue and light blue for my cap. You can use your favorite color or you can make it colorful also. For the brim portion of the cap, I have used white with the blue to make it light blue. And we are done. Great job, friends. We made a cap from letter C. Now we will write cap. What is the spelling of the cap? C A P. Can you also write in your drawing? Cap, C-A-P. Yes. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe. See you next time. Bye bye.